Westminster Villas, 55+ community. 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 3-car garage, and approximately 1,913 square feet. Open concept floor plan featuring formal dining, great room, sunroom, or 3rd bedroom. Kitchen has eating/serving bar, tile floor, large pantry closet, and informal dining area. Laundry room is located off the kitchen and features wall cabinets and wall-mounted ironing board. Special features include tray ceilings, crown molding, custom closets, and plantation blinds. Main bedroom has wood flooring and large walk-in closet. Main bath includes tile floor, double sinks, shower, and linen closet. Guest bedroom, guest bath, and sunroom or 3rd bedroom are located on the opposite side of the home. Access to concrete patio and koi pond are off the informal dining area. Estate sale, no disclosures. Agents, please see agent remarks.